Hi everyone, my name is Kaye Ramos and welcome to my channel where I share Christian living tips to help you gain clarity and purpose as you get closer to Jesus. So this September, I am so excited to start a journaling video series. So it will walk you through how to start journaling, and of course I will share some ways to fill your journals. So journaling is something that is truly dear to my heart because it helped me in so many ways, like getting closer to Jesus and coping up with anxiety and depression. In today's video, I would like to share some journaling tips that will work great for beginners. So without further ado, let's start. First, ask yourself, why do I want to journal? It's always wise to begin with the end in mind. So you have to be clear on what you want to accomplish with your journal. You don't have to nail it the first time because your why may vary from time to time. Honestly, I have liked journaling since I was young, but as I grow, my reason for keeping a journal varies from putting my silly secrets up to organizing my thoughts. You can always have different journals for different reasons, but I recommend that you always start with one. Second, define your medium. What will you use for journaling? You can be very flexible with this. You can use a notebook depending on your taste. I would say that this works best if you simply would like to do a brain dump or just put everything on paper or everything what's in your mind. You can also use pre-made journals or guided journals based on your interests. There are so many journals out there that have prompts and activities to challenge your brain. Being a journal junkie, I always have a different journals or a different variation of journals. It is up to you whether you want to use a single color pen or make it multicolor. It really depends on your interest, and it is very important that you are going to love it so that you can keep on using it. My third tip, find your journaling style. So this tip is like somehow similar to the first question of why do you want to keep a journal? Different journals serve different purposes. If you just want to do a brain dump or free write, then any kind of notebook will do. So to find what journaling style works best for you, sometimes you might have to experiment a little bit. And at the same time, you have the options to decorate your journal, because I have seen some people who do bullet journaling and junk journals. They invest in different stickers, washi tapes, or templates, and creating designs motivate them to keep using their journals. So in the process, their journals serve them well by helping them organize their days. But in my case, I simply use different blank notebooks, sketch pads, and sometimes guided journal with prompts. Fourth tip, put your journal in a spot where you could easily see it. When you begin journaling, observe the time of the day where you are most inspired to write. When I want to write a new article or I want to think about what lies ahead, I always do a brain dump early in the morning. If I want to reflect on what happened the entire day, then I journal before bedtime. The most important thing is to put your journal where you could easily see it so that you will be reminded to use it. And it's a good practice to write on it every day, even just for a short time. You can put it on your bedside table or shelf or even in your bag. I do daily pages with Jesus each morning, and I have all my journaling supplies in my prayer room cart, which I shared from my previous video. It makes it convenient and easy to access them. And of course, my fifth tip is always remember that there is no right or wrong way to do it. So consider your journal as your best friend. You can be vulnerable and show your true self without any judgment. As an avid journal user, I cringe a little bit when I read what I wrote a few years ago, but it also inspires me most of the time because I could see the improvement throughout the years. So treat your journal as your safe space. No one will judge your grammar or your actions except yourself, maybe in the future. So remember, you can be honest and raw as you want to be. So this is the time to reflect and see what's really going on inside you. So the challenge for you today is to pick up any notebook you have around and of course decide how you want to use it to begin your journaling journey. That's it for today, guys. I hope that this video inspires you to start journaling. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like it, and I would appreciate if you subscribe on my channel. Again, this is Kaye Ramos, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys again next time. Bye!